Pepe here. We were trading this the other day in Discord, looking for a bounce area to come back here. Right, bunch of people. I seen one guy 13x his money off this move from here to here, 13x on his money in Discord there. So it turned out being a very profitable trade so far. Looking for a re-entry though down here. I did not get back in yet. I know a few people, Nettie over there in Discord, she was jumping in and out, making some nice profits, man. We're really impressed. But, what I got going on here looks like a possible, this is out in the daily, right? This is what's going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth wave up here. All right, well, let's zoom in here. What's going on an 8-hour chart? All right, we were looking for a bottom. I posted 2 areas over there. I even put a video out for the members. It was either right here or right here that this thing was gonna to bounce from. All right. So far, it has held ground right off this first area, and it looks like it's possibly making. This was a wave 1 right here. Right. I also put this out the other day too. This was for Discord. We were looking for a top right here. Boy, oh boy, I wish I would have took a short off that. Man, oh man, I'm in a couple other trades at the time. Really didn't have much capital free to do it. I almost just did it because, a lot of times these 1618 targets. Right, that was a wave 3 pullback. Look at that's where we were expecting this fifth wave to come to. 1618 right at this line. I put it over there in Discord. It hit it perfectly and has rolled over. Believe it or not, just this move from here to there, I would be up massive in a short on this. Huge. I mean, this push down here, I would have took I would have took profits way down here. I would have had. I always set a take profit target, right? So I'm pretty sure it would have triggered right there, but ended up hitting this perfectly and rolling back, right? So if you're interested in signing up, guys, for getting into Discord and stuff, go over and sign up for a level 3 membership. You get a bunch of videos to teach you how to start charting, and then you get a link to Discord. Right around 200 people in there right now, so we'd love to have you. Now, what we're looking for here, for this thing this should all be a wave 1 up and then a 2 back, okay? Looking for a bounce area on this thing. Oh, look at that. Came down, hit the 618, perfect. I hate when they do that. I hate them wicks like that because, quite honestly, I mean, it could take off at any time. All right, this would be your area you'd be looking for a bounce, Actually up to the 50% even, because these wave 2s, sometimes they only retrace 50%. And this one came down, hit that 618 right on the hourly and took off. So yeah, it would have hit my take profit on a short. That would have been a nice short. All right, so this we're looking at here is a possible wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside here. But first things first, this has to hold this area here, right? If it would lose that 8615, rolls over and loses that, then it's probably coming down to this lower level. These are weekly support levels, these yellow lines, weekly, right? So very, very solid support zones. Now, let's take a look at some RSIs and see if this thing could possibly be bouncing. The 1 hour is heading to the upside. The 4 hours right at the top. You see how that wicked down here? That's a wick. Yeah, it looks like it might have some more pullback here. The 8 hour, the 8 hours at the bottom here, 35, 32. It's bullish. 12 hour, it's just starting up. Yeah. Look at the daily. Yeah, it looks like Pepe, could have a pretty decent run continuing here. This first push up might, potentially, isn't nothing but a little bump here. All right, now this pushes up for a fifth wave. The target for that would be up at this area right up through here. This would be a potential take profit area if you're longing it with leverage. Right up in is that you can see the numbers on the right, 13,055 up to 14,135. All right, so basically comes down to, let's take a look here real quick. This could end up being a real big. You take the inside of the wedge for your target, right? Sorry to mix my words up there. I kind of got a little excited and flustered at the same time. This thing could end up going way up here when it's over. Could. All right, nothing's a guarantee. But look at this perfect break of resistance, back test. Back test former resistance as support, and this thing should be heading to the upside here. All right, now, like I said, the area you definitely want to watch for it to hold is right down here. You don't want to see it lose this area because then something else is going on. But if I was looking to re-enter this, which I am, I would be watching for it to come down into this box down here. More than likely, probably 87.34, right around that area, the 702. And I'll look to enter there and try to ride this thing up. Could be a massive money maker here. Could be. All right, like I said, nothing's guaranteed. But we'll see. We'll leave it on here. I'll check back in a couple days and we'll see how this plays out. But keep your eye on Pepe, man. It could really have a huge move here pretty soon. Have a great day, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you later.